If you are tired all the time, gaining fat even when you eat clean and your motivation is gone, it might not be your willpower. It might be your mitochondria. The tiny energy factories inside your cell that no one's talking about. And yes, you can rebuild them. Let's get real. If you wake up tired, drag through the day, and crash by evening, you don't have a motivation problem. You have a mitochondria problem. Mitochondria are like batteries in your body. They take food, oxygen, and nutrients and turn them into ATP, your body's energy currency. But here's the kicker. Those batteries drain faster than you think. And when they do, every system in your body slows down. So let's talk about what kills your mitochondria. Number one, inflammation from processed foods, toxins, and stress. Number two, sedentary lifestyle. No muscle demand equals no energy production by your body. Number three, nutrient deficiency. Missing nutrients like magnesium, CoQ10, or even carnitine. Number four, poor sleep. Your cells never get to recharge. You can't out-supplement a body that's chronically inflamed and under-rested. And that's why so many people say, I eat healthy and still feel tired all day. It's because the cellular engine isn't working right. So, what are the signs of mitochondrial dysfunction? If you have got brain fog, constant fatigue, cold hands and feet, sugar craving, weight gain, especially around the belly, those are the red flags your mitochondria are struggling. Your cells are literally running out of charge. So, what's the fix? How to actually rebuild your mitochondria? Now, here is the fun part. You can actually train your mitochondria to regenerate. Here are some basic things that you can do. Number one, resistant training. Creates new mitochondria. It's called mitochondrial biogenesis. Number two, cold exposure and sauna. Stress yourself just enough to grow stronger. Number three, intermittent fasting. Helps your body clean out damaged mitochondria. Autophagy. Number four, mitochondrial nutrients like CoQ10, PQQ, carnitine, magnesium, alpha-lipoic acid. Think of it like upgrading your internal battery pack, one cell at a time. If your hormones are low, especially your thyroid or testosterone, your mitochondria slows down. Why? Because those hormones tell your cell how much energy to make. And that's the main reason why here at MyFitMed, we often combine hormone optimization with mitochondrial support. Because fixing one without the other doesn't get the full results. You don't just want to lose fat, you want to raise your baseline energy. Here is what no one tells you. Fatigue isn't about being lazy, it's about energy production being broken. When you rebuild your mitochondria, everything changes. Your metabolism, your focus, your mood. Improving your mitochondrial health, you stop surviving and start performing. If you are done feeling drained and foggy, stop chasing caffeine and start fixing your cells. Rebuild your mitochondria through movement, quality sleep, and targeted nutrients. Because once your cell lights up, so does your life. If this resonated, share it with someone who's always tired for no reason and subscribe for more practical science-backed ways to upgrade your energy. Right here on MyFitMed with Patel.